Changing the background color. By default, Contract Controller will have the green setting set to your user preferences. So if we just remind ourselves what that looks like on a bill item, so we can see that everything is in the usual green. Now, if we wanted to change that to our suggested colors or a new color, you go to My System Settings and Information, go to Change User Preferences, type in your access code. Then there's a new feature, RGB screen color, so that's the red, green, blue value. So we've got the old scheme, our new color scheme, which is the blue color. You just click on that and it will change everything, or you can make up your own color. So let's look at the blue again. If I want to go back to the original, simply just click on the old color scheme. So let's see what that looks like on our bill item. So all the screens now be changed. If I just go and look at the bill item, so you can see that all the background has changed accordingly. So to go back again. Now the thing to bear in mind is you're going to be staring at this day in, day out. So it needs to be fairly easy on the eye. So anything that's too much of a contrast could be quite blinding. So if I just go back and change that, change user preferences. So I could either put it back to the green, or I could make up my own color scheme. So we could have something very, very garish. And I can see that is very hard on the eye. So if I go and look at the bill item at that, you'll see that it's okay, you can read things quite clearly, but it's very harsh and you'll probably end up with a headache after a few hours of that. So if we just go back and put that back. So if we go back to our blue color, see that's a lot easier on the eye. And that's as straightforward as it is to change the colors to whichever you want. And each user can have their own different color.